Today I am reviewing NIMO N151 Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to affordable yet feature-packed laptops, the NIMO N151 15.6-inch laptop really stands out. This laptop combines a modern design, practical performance, and user-focused features, making it a solid option for students, professionals, and everyday users alike. Today, let's dive deep into its specifications, design, performance, and overall usability to see whether this is the right laptop for you. Starting with the display, the NIMO N151 features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The screen has an impressive 85% screen-to-body ratio and narrow bezels, which gives you more screen space for work, entertainment, or study. The anti-glare coating reduces reflections and eye strain, which is especially helpful for long hours of use, whether you're attending online classes, working on spreadsheets, or simply enjoying your favorite shows. In terms of design and build, this laptop comes in a stylish Scarlet Red color, which makes it stand out compared to the usual black and silver laptops on the market. The chassis feels solid, with a metal A-shell design that adds durability without making the laptop overly heavy. At just about 5 pounds, it's still portable enough to carry between classes, coffee shops, or your workplace. Plus, it comes with modern conveniences like a backlit keyboard for typing in low light and a fingerprint reader for quick, secure logins. Now, let's talk about performance. The NIMO N151 is powered by the Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, a 12th generation quad-core CPU with a maximum speed of 3.4 GHz. This processor is designed to deliver steady, efficient everyday performance, handling tasks like web browsing, word processing, video conferencing, and even light multimedia editing with ease. NIMO also highlights that the N100 performs up to 45% faster than older entry-level processors, making it a strong alternative to older Intel i3 chips like the i3-1115G4. One of the biggest highlights of this laptop is the memory and storage configuration. It comes pre-installed with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe solid-state drive. This combination ensures super fast boot times, smooth multitasking, and plenty of space to store all your files, games, and media. And if that's not enough, the NIMO N151 also has upgradable slots, meaning you can expand your RAM or storage in the future, making it a laptop that can grow with your needs. Connectivity is another strong point here. The NIMO laptop includes multiple USB ports, HDMI for connecting to external monitors, a memory card slot, USB Type-C, and support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. With Wi-Fi 6, you'll enjoy faster internet speeds and more reliable connections, perfect for streaming or video calls. Bluetooth 5.2 also ensures stable connections for wireless accessories like headphones, mice, and keyboards. The laptop also comes with a decent set of extra features. You get HD audio, a numeric keypad for quick number entry, and a 2-megapixel front-facing webcam for online meetings and virtual classes. The inclusion of biometric security with a fingerprint reader adds a professional touch, making it more convenient and secure than just relying on passwords. When it comes to battery life, the NIMO N151 includes a 38-watt-hour lithium-ion battery, which provides up to 5 hours of usage on a single charge. While this isn't class-leading, it's reasonable for the price point and should get you through a school day or a work session if you're not running extremely heavy tasks. The laptop also supports fast charging with its 65-watt Type-C power adapter, so you can quickly top up the battery when needed. Another factor that sets NIMO apart is its after-sales support. This laptop comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, which is quite generous compared to many other budget laptops that usually only come with 1 year. On top of that, you get 90-day hassle-free returns, giving you peace of mind when making your purchase. This shows that NIMO has confidence in the build quality and reliability of their product. So, who is this laptop for? The NIMO N151 is best suited for students, business professionals, and general home users who want a balance of performance, storage, and modern features without spending a fortune. It's not meant for heavy gaming or demanding video editing, since it relies on integrated graphics, but for productivity, schoolwork, streaming, and multitasking, it offers excellent value. To summarize, the NIMO N151 15.6-inch FHD laptop delivers a well-rounded package with its bright display, 16 GB RAM, 1TB SSD, Intel N100 processor, and premium features like a fingerprint reader and backlit keyboard. Combine that with upgradability, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 2-year warranty, and you've got a laptop that's practical, stylish, and reliable.